Hey everyone, this is Brad the mechanic here. Got a 2008 Chevy Malibu. Gonna be changing out the windshield wiper transmission. When you turn the wipers on, you just hear the motor turning and the wipers don't do nothing. So, before I waste any more time, make sure the hood stays up. This one, the shocks don't work. We're gonna pop these wipers off, then we're going to take, so if you look right here with the cowl, there's usually a clip here, and a clip right there, and you'll have to pop these out, push them off with a flathead, and then this will come loose. So I'm going to pop these wipers off and we'll get the cowl off. Sometimes it's easier to get these off if you push right here, kind of push down and wiggle it, and as you can see it came loose, and you'll be able to pop it off. So do the same thing over here. Well, you can see this transmission is broke because they just keep moving, but yeah, give it a little, you can see this, how it moves. Do that and you'll be able to wiggle it and grab with your other hand and pull it free. On each corner there's going to be this rubber water stopper here you're going to want to come under it and pull it up and get it to pop out just like that, and then this will be able to come free from out of there just like that. On the driver's side here, before we pull it up, as you can see, this line here goes for the washer solvent is plugged up into there, so you're going to pop that out and that'll make this all come loose. Now that we got that cowl off, we're going to take these three 10mm screws out and we're going to take this plug off and get this out of the way, and then we will remove this out of the vehicle. We're going to take this off, these bolts right here that hold this motor right here. We're going to take these off and then switch this to the new transmission. As you can see, we got the new motor, the motor on the new transmission. So I'm going to wait to plug this on and to attach that. This is easy as taking these two bolts off, and this bracket, this metal brace here, you're going to take from the other one and place it here, and then tighten these down. These are also 10mm. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the car, and I'm going to turn the wipers on and then off so that it brings this thing home, and it should get us where we need. If not, if this one just spins and doesn't have like a home, then I'll show you how to do it. So what I did here is I got it plugged in. I got the three 10mm in. I plugged it in and I went in the car and I turned the wipers on and then off, and this thing, it brings it to its home, and we should just be able to connect it and be good to go. So what I ended up having to do is I brought the armature over here and then I unplugged this, and I was able to get it on with both hands because it was kind of hard to pinch on there, because you just got to push it onto the arm here on this. But then you're going to want to turn it on, turn it back off again so that they go home, and then you can set the wipers how they were before. You can kind of see the lines when we put the wipers on. But now we're going to put the cowl on and the wipers. Alright, once you get the cowl on, it's kind of a pain in the butt, but if you mess with it, you'll get it. These are kind of hard. You got to push them up and hold them out of the way while you slide it in there. Don't forget this washer solvent line right here. And I started with that side. It might be easier to start with this side, I don't know. But now we're going to throw the wiper blades on. And there you go, you got the wipers on. We're going to give them a test drive and make sure it's good. And usually there's caps that go over here, and you can just push those back on when you're done. And the wipers work great. Well, thanks for watching, you guys. I don't care if you like or subscribe. I just want you to fix your shit, so go out there and fix it, right? See ya.